Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about 30 motivational sales quotes to inspire success. You know what is it that separates good salespeople from great salespeople? Salespeople have one of the hardest jobs in the world to do. They deal with rejections on a daily basis. Making a sales comes down to powering through call after call, email after email, and no after no. But the greatest salespeople, thinkers, and leaders have also dealt with rejections, fear, and hard times. They stepped out of their comfort zones and took a chance. Succeeding in the face of failure, or take a moment with me for some of the greatest motivational sales quotes ever spoken. Keep them in mind on your next call for a little extra drive. Number one, approach each customer with the idea of helping him or her to solve a problem or achieve a goal, not of selling a product or service. Number two, if you are not taking care of your customer, your competitor will. Number three, you don't need a big close as many sales reps believe. You risk losing your customer when you save all the good stuff for the end. So keep the customer actively involved throughout your presentation and watch your results improve. Number four, either you run the day or the day runs you. Number five, make a customer, not a sale. Number six, keep your sales pipelines full by prospecting continuously. Always have more people to see than you have time to see them. And then, number seven, a goal is a dream with a deadline. Number eight, your aptitude, not your aptitude, will determine your aptitude, your altitude. Number nine, the difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Number 10, your life can only get better when you do something every day to improve your key skills areas. Number 11, if you are not moving closer to what you want in sales or in life, you probably aren't doing enough asking. Number 12, to build a long term successful enterprise, when you don't close a sale, open a relationship. Number 13, motivation is what gets you started, habit is what keeps you going. Number 14, begin always. Begin always expecting good things to happen. Number 15, timid salesmen have skinny kids. 16, dream big. There are no limitations to how good you can become or how high you can rise, except the limits you put on yourself. Number 17, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Number 18, sales success comes after you stretch yourself past your limits on a daily basis. Number 19, expect the best, prepare for the worst, capitalize on what comes. Number 20, sales are contingent upon the attitude of the salesman, not the attitude of the prospect. Number 21, value the relationship more than the quota. 22, nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into jobs. Number 23, statistics suggest that when customers complain, business owners and managers ought to get excited about it. The complaining customer represents a huge opportunity for more businesses. Number 24, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is to try just one more time. Number 25, everything you have ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Number 26, don't worry about the failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. Number 27, there is no lotion or portion that will make sales faster and easier for you unless your portion is hard work. Number 28, always do your best. What you plant now will harvest later. Number 29, keep yourself positive, cheerful, and goal oriented. Sales success is 80% attitude and only 20% aptitude. Number 30, develop an attitude of gratitude. Say thanks you to everyone. Say thanks you to everyone you meet for everything they do for you. Is it? Thank you so much.